In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wiki page in ClickUp. Having a centralized hub for your team's knowledge is essential for staying organized and efficient, and that's exactly what a wiki page can offer. Whether it's documenting processes, storing important information, or creating a go-to resource for your team, a well-structured wiki can make collaboration much smoother. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create and customize a wiki page in ClickUp, ensuring it's tailored to your team's needs. Let's get started. First, start by hovering your mouse over your team space, which you'll find in the left-hand sidebar on your ClickUp home screen. This is where all your team's workspaces are organized. Once you've located your team space, you'll notice 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots to open up a menu of additional options. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Template. This will take you to the next step, where you'll click Browse Template. Doing this will open ClickUp's template gallery, which is packed with a variety of pre-designed options to help you get started quickly. Next, to find the type of template you need, head to the search bar within the template gallery and type in the word Wiki. This will filter the results and display a collection of wiki-style templates. Take a moment to review the options available. You'll see different layouts and styles, so choose the one that best suits your team's needs. Once you've found a template you like, click the option that says Use Template. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new wiki page. Choose a name that's clear, concise, and easily recognizable for your team. This will make it simple for everyone to locate and use the page. After naming the page, it's time to customize. This step is all about making the template work for your team. Edit the sections, add any new categories you need, and tailor the content to align with your team's specific processes and terminology. You want the wiki to feel like a natural extension of your workflow. When you're happy with the edits, click Use Template again to finalize the process and officially integrate the wiki into your team space. At this point, the wiki is live, but you're not entirely done yet. You can edit or rename the wiki page at any time if you need to make adjustments or improve clarity. Remember, a wiki is a living document, so regular updates are key to keeping the information accurate and relevant. Encourage your team members to contribute as well. They can add their knowledge, share insights, or correct anything that seems unclear. This collaborative effort will make the wiki more comprehensive and valuable over time. Finally, it's a great idea to assign a rotating wiki champion within your team. This person will periodically check the wiki for accuracy, ensure it's up to date, and make any necessary adjustments. By sharing this responsibility, you'll maintain a well-organized and reliable knowledge base for everyone. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage a wiki page in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.